We know that personal finance management is not taught in our schooling system. However, we can always have our own means of getting that information, especially in this era of globalization where information is just within a few clicks away. Savings, budgeting, and even various investment schemes are now available online. But out of all this, we might have missed out one aspect in financial management, and that is credit score. What is a credit score? It is basically an indicator used by money lenders such as banks to evaluate our creditworthiness before they have the confidence to lend money to us. Why is it so important then? You see, having a bad credit score means that you are at high risk in the eyes of the banks, and they will have no confidence in lending money to you, and you will be facing obstacles when you want to apply a loan for your hire purchase or even your housing loan. Instead, having a good credit score can improve your smoothness of the loan process because the banks see you as a good guy with good record, so that they have confidence towards lending money to you. So how can we improve our credit score? Here, I will suggest you two actions to be taken. Number one, to pay for your PTPTN loan. We know that PTPTN loans are considered not important and most of the time being neglected by the students leaving the university. But here I wish to remind you that this PTPTN loan repayment might soon be considered as one of the aspects in evaluation of our credit score. Please go to pay back your PTPTN loan, and if you are facing difficulties, don't worry and reach out for the consolidation for your debt. The second option is to own one or two credit cards. I know that having credit cards tend to lead us to spend more, but in this case, having credit cards will help you to generate a list of credit records for tracking by the bank. You have to own at least one or two credit cards and spend with the credit cards within the credit limit and pay back the amount before the due date. Hence, you are going to generate a list of records which will be useful for the evaluation by the banks before you are being considered a good guy for being deserved for that loan approval. Beyond that, you have to have some regular check on the credit score. Same as our health checkup, we have to go on a regular basis to check on our credit score and understand our status so that we can take necessary actions to improve it whenever possible. In a conclusion, we now know that credit score is another aspect important in finance, especially in our personal financial management. Hence, please do not default on any loan we have right now. If you are having difficulties in paying back the amount, don't worry and don't be alone. Reach out for help.